Right? Hi guys. Okay. Oh, I'm on my other account, I see. So anyways, as you guys can read from the title, today we will try to make a compiler. Hopefully it's gonna go great. And surely, yeah. Okay, wait. Give me a second. All right, good. Okay. So we're gonna make a compiler, but then first, I need the design, which I haven't quite decided yet. Uh, Once we decided on what, um, you know, syntax we should go for, I think it's gonna be good. So, so for the first one, I think we should do just the basic, the basic print stuff, print hello world, and we're gonna be doing this in C++, of course. So always I do this. I check I stream plus. I haven't code in a while. I think so. That might be the other bottleneck for me today. Also, we gotta accept like args. So we can do compiler and whatever our file extension gonna be like main.n to main, and so it's gonna be main.exe. So the current workflow I'm thinking right now is what the compiler does is gets the data right, and then the code from my own language turns it into a C code and compiles it. So far, that's the plan. I don't know how hard that's gonna be. I have never tried to do such a thing since 2021. Yeah, 2021 or 2022 was the last time I tried to do this. So, anyways, let's do the usual hello world and try to compile it. All right. So let's use just the terminal we have here. Main.cpp compiler. The fuck? Why is it taking long? Okay, okay. What is wrong here? I should have tested it before I started the live. I mean, this is great. What do you mean? Hello world. Um, Maybe is it? No, no. Is it from the include? No. STDC out. This is for seeing. I know that as far as my concern, this is for seeing. Of course it is. This is for see out. And somehow it's complaining. What? What the fuck did I miss? Let's just do search this. Well, I can't be messing this shit up, dude. Oh, okay, so I didn't know that. If you domain, is it gonna work? No, it doesn't. What the hell is wrong with it? What? I should have got it. Never asked it for this. Like, never. This is my first time doing this. Oh my god, holy shit. Well, so that sucks. I don't know why it's asking that. Whew. Okay, something must be wrong with today. Anyways, here you go. Hello world. Yeah, let's just remove this. What if we do? Oh no no. Compiler works. Okay. Hello world. Okay, it works. It works. It works. So, um, the way how we do it is, first of all, let's try to start from the memory. Like reading comes later, you know. So let's include string, right? So std string, um, well, string. Let's just call it buffer for now, or you know what? We can call it code. So the code can be um read l hello. Okay, yeah. I mean, let's just do it. Print l, and then uh code code here, and yeah, that's it. Print l. I mean, of course, why wouldn't it work? I must be crazy for thinking that. But anyways, so the next thing we need to do, so the next thing we need to do, I don't know how to start this. So we need to get, how it's gonna work. So what I'm thinking is there is not gonna be main function to run. I mean, sure, we're gonna do it when we generate the C file, of course. But yeah. So first of all, to write it to, we need F, no, includes S3, right? Yes, we do. And then so now let's try to read from the code from file because why not? Uh, F3 rating file. So this is okay. No, that's the issue, bro. Okay, anyways, file, bro. Gigs for life. It's a good thing, you know. So F-stream input file, MBC text, variable storage line from the file. Okay, read each file from the file printed. Get line. So for every line. Uh, okay. So I think what this is doing, get line input file. Okay, so this is a variable. So we don't need to do this. I guess uh, std let's stream. So code, right? And the code is gonna be for now. Uh, code dots. I don't know. Comp. Just for now, you know. And then get line. It says something's wrong, but yeah, of course, not yet. So I think here it goes the code and the line, and I'm sure there is no file called this, so we need to make exception. If F3, okay, it's not here for some reason. F3, check if file exists. Fstream open, file exists, file name. Oh, really? So we have to do this. Oh, Fstream file dot is open. Okay, cool. So code dot is open. So we want it if it's false, std file does not exist. And just it's not like big deal. We're gonna use line for this. All right. Okay. So now, if I run the code, it should say the file doesn't exist. File does not exist, of course. So let's create code.com. Now let's try it, and it does. Of course, it does. I didn't even have to compile. I'm just dumb fuck. Okay. So the designer side is print line. You know what I mean? So hey, and then semicolon. I think we should do it. Okay. So now with all this, what we can do is let's see first. Let's write it down. See line for every line, of course, is std and line, right? So it's gonna say print hey because what we're doing is just yeah, and after all this, it's gonna print whatever we did there. Good. So we take every line and we turn that into a C file. So first of all, how to write onto like C file? You know what I mean? So for that we gotta do. Should we do like turning it to a C file or tokenize first? I think let's do to C file first. So F3 write to file F3 of course create an open file. I need a new one. F3 create file. Oh, F stream. Oh, so I suppose this one is correct. I just didn't read it. So after we do all this, I think what we're gonna do is std of stream. So out file, out file, and since we want it to be like you know, what do you call it? Extra like codes or some shit. I don't know what to call. But like hidden file. It's like a cache. We don't wanna be we don't wanna see everything getting listed here. So we can do like this, but for now we just do code.c. And how to delete the file. We gotta close it. Okay. So I think at the end we're gonna close code.close. Good practice you said. And then now we gotta remove this uh off f delete file. Um Constraints and we close then. Okay, sounds good. So let's make a new function. I mean, this is gonna get a lot messy. Uh, void delete file, and then we're gonna pass this. You can call it this cache. So now what we gotta do is to the file. If is okay, that's what it did there. It's the file system. Uh, okay, I gotta add a new one. Okay, I thought it was just this. Um, you know, F string file system, right? And so now we do have it. Um, we just do remove, and teach what's going on. Cancel out file. So we want to know if it fails. Fail to remove the cache. Okay, it shows there's something wrong there. It's std file system, and it's saying something went wrong. Surely now. What's wrong with that, bro? Okay. Uh, what if we do it like all by itself? Still, it says there's something wrong, of course. Master argument list. File name. That's one. And I don't think it accepts more. So will this code work? Yes, it does. But this one doesn't. Why? I have no idea. STD file system. STD file system. Okay, brother, that's the same thing. It's just complaining about nothing. Okay, maybe like this, and then my face. No, doesn't work. My face. Remove file name. So the file is upstream. So it has to be the file name. Okay. So if it was like this, then it would work. Yep, it does. So constant car file file name codes code. So now we're gonna use this here. Um and then so that's gonna be constant character out file, and then you can do this. Then shit, dude, what's your problem? Okay, there you go. Now it works. Okay, so let's try it. Hopefully, it's not gonna delete anything. I need delete file file name. Okay, let's compile it. It's gonna compile, of course. Uh, it's created, but it never removed. Yeah, because of it means when it process. Okay, we gotta add. Yes, we never closed it, so we have to close it first. Cache to close. Why? Okay, it's being used. Okay, yeah, we're trying to remove the wrong fucking shit. So every time it's gonna be code. So I don't even need this. Just code C. We don't need this. Just call it at the end after everything. You know what I mean? Now, yep. See, it creates and removes. It's just too fast that we can't even see it. Now let me try something. Okay, now if we never remove the cache, uh, it will stay here. Definitely, it's gonna stay there. So let's remove it, and now it's gone. Okay, so now let's make it like a bit hidden. Okay, it's that's not hidden. We'll figure that out. Just not now. Okay, so I think we're good. We're off a good start. Now we gotta write to this. So let's write into this. Um, how do we write? I forgot. Once again. Out file. It's just like cin. So code. No, cache. No cache. Um, include. Uh, is okay. I think it's a studio.h. I think. Anyways, it's just for it is now. Um, and Made. Right, so now let's try this one. Okay, so we don't want this to be removed because I want to know what's going on there. Okay, yep, it's it's correct, you know. So we can remove that whenever we want. So not now. Okay, cool. So the next thing we're gonna do is read whatever there is, and then how to take tokenize. Give me a second. Give me a second. First of all, before tokenizing, what if you try to do compile it first, the C file? So wait, studio.h studio. So did I write that wrong? Studio. The heck is wrong? I don't see anything wrong, to be honest. To be fair. Okay. Same thing. Honestly, it's just same. Uh, what's wrong there? Let me compile it. G. Okay, first of all, this is C++, so it's G++, not GCC. And for GCC, we gotta do code dot C. Oh, code. Maybe that's why it didn't work. Maybe if we search this, it's gonna work. Okay. Not the whole thing. What the hell? Please do, please do. Studio. Oh, okay. I knew we did. I haven't coded in C in like years. That that I just started to fuck up the code. Uh, okay. Can you please rewrite it? I'll do everything. No, no, no. I think we should make compile the bash. No, that's not here. SH, no. But okay, BAT. We're just gonna have this. Put it here. We don't need this. So now, when we want to plus plus, we do this, right? Compi Compiler, right? Okay, it's working. Now let's do this. Let's build the compiler as well. Now let's see how it's like. Good. Let's okay, it works. See, that's the whole thing here. Okay. Now let's do the file and then you know let's clean everything here. Uh, let's remove this. I just thought I think code to C and but yeah. Also, do you have to specify exe because that's wait. Oh, I just yeah, whatever. I think that's it. That was the issue. We need to compile here before we remove the file. Raw comma by C++. Comma arguments. No, we would need that in C++. System. Hopefully system is works for both std. CSTD deep. Okay. CSTD deep. Okay. Um, it has everything. So system. This is what we do. Okay. So about here, STB system. What did it say? System. Okay, just system. GCC. Um, code will C. No, it's not plus. Oh, um, program. Yeah, we can call it program. Why not? Okay. Okay, moment of truth. Moment of truth. And okay, moment of truth. Okay, there you go. Here is the program. Okay, it works. It works. Hell yeah. Compiles the compiles the code. Okay, good. Very off a good start. Yeah, please. Now we gotta know um how we can like get that bit of file that we just need. So as to this outline, can we read like every line? If line dot start, oh, starts with uh I don't know if this is something I should do. Print L. What the hell is going on? Why did it break? Oh, okay, that's not solution. I not this as well. Okay, maybe this. My brain is fucked, bro. No, what the hell am I doing? This, yeah, it starts with print. You know what I mean? Like, so you know, it's build. Okay, yeah, I knew that we were not allowed to use that. It's three line. Yeah, check if it starts with. Okay, there you go. Starts with. Okay, whatever I wrote was wrong, and this one doesn't even work. String is wait. Test much one test. Test. I mean, we do have to consider how long it should take to compile, not just like do it and do that. Uh, maybe find uh and close. Close this is really it is special about it. No apologies to Windows that such fails five. Fine, okay, order for okay. So I think it's here. Yep, STD impose. Uh, impose, right? Let's compile now. My bad. I I'm kind of fussy now. Compiler. Okay, word. So now there is an issue. It should have said it starts with print, but it never did. It does, but even though it does, is it because what if I do it like this? No, it doesn't give a fuck. Oh shit. Okay. Um. Mm, maybe. Okay. Yes. It works. It works. Okay. This way it works. Now we gotta gate whatever is inside those um quotation. So how do we do that? Let's find out, shall we? I think we might need one more variable. F3 gates or bits in quotation. I don't know. Reach out the first code, then reach the next inside the code. So we have a dummy and target. So from the file, I don't know what the dummy does. Get file target. Would you mind explaining what a dummy is? Oh, okay. So we get line file. We put it onto the dummy, and we get line file, and the target and the dummy. Okay. So I think what we do is if get uh std uh x3, right, get line. Okay, yep, the file, and then we need dummy dummy u- use to store whatever data is before the quotation mark. Okay, so the file is codes and the dummy, and then the first quotation mark. So we'll just do this. No, it's just better. Three. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's take it along here. Wait, this is. Let's check if this works. This whole code. It does. Okay, neither does mine. So maybe it's just a mistake like the other one. So a dummy is a string, uh, which i- which it is a string here also, and then it says that this part is wrong, and then that's because I don't know where that shit comes from. Still, it says it's wrong. Oh, bro, woman, holy shit, dude, I'm so fucking dumb. Oh my god, bitch. Okay, there you go. Okay, what now? I wanna print out the target. We will create a target. Let's not do this right now. Target. Okay. Now what's wrong here? Match the argument lists. No instance for load. Hmm. Okay. So it's just simple. Oh, we don't need H3. I suppose. Yes, we don't. We get the line. And now we do HTTP. Gate. Okay, again the line. Gate by from the coach to targets. Uh, Pretty much the same thing. Okay, now let's run it and see what it does. Okay, it should have printed this just hey, nothing else, but it didn't for some reason. What about if we do else? Okay, let's build compiler. No shit. Okay, looks like it's not running there. Okay, it did reach here. Um, it's using int. Okay, I forgot that we have to write error handler for the shit. No shit again. Okay, something is wrong. So in the file, um, so the first quotation mark should be um, it's weird honestly. So let's what's how am I mixing them? The string instead of the file. Like, oh my, holy shit, dude. Why, why the hell am I doing this? I should be banned from coding ever again. But, uh, you know what? The more stupid. The fucking AI. String stream, line stream, line, line stream, line. Okay, this is getting really weird. String stream. Oh, it's stream. So we're gonna do HTTP strings three lines three lines three. We're just gonna go with the underscore rather than small cap, small cap, small cap. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be line, and then the line three is gonna be here. We good now? Okay, it should work now. Hey, it did. Hey, hello world. It's I think now uh this is where it loses its shit. See? Okay, what if you add this? I think that's gonna work now. No, it doesn't. Now we have to add a new line code. But first of all, this has to be on the C file, not here. Oh jeez, why do I have like this big thing? Failed to compile. And then should we add error code, like make it more professional? E01 maybe. If it's E01, then it means there is something wrong here. Okay. uh, and, uh, okay. So now we don't need that extra. So okay, so now we need to put it in here. So you gotta make its own file, otherwise it's gonna be like a whole lot of mess, you know. Void. So it's in the target. So that means this is for print, uh, printel, and target is a string, so string, uh, data, data. Okay, and then we do this, and then the cache. We also have to pass the cache, I think. Yeah, we do. Look, we can make the cache global, but it have to run at some point. You know, for now we can just pass it cache. And the cache is like always, it's called. Okay, now, you gotta be really big brain here. Wait, let's paste this. But this time, what it's gonna do is write targets, right? So, that's not how it works because it's C, and in C, you gotta do print type. Okay, and we're gonna do. Okay, now we have to pass a target here. And then target doesn't work for some reason, and that's because it's undefined. Because we called it data, not target. Data, and then we're gonna paste again, and then we're gonna do this. Okay, and then we gotta close with this. Okay, let's try place. No, don't. Okay, no, never mind. It's not gonna work because we never let it run. Print L cache and target. Now it should work. Why not? Uh, huh? It's weird. Maybe it's because let's add a fifth there. Just and it's the same. Okay, this is very strange. So what we can do right now is we can create it here, right? You can we don't have to accept it here, right? Which means we don't have to pass it here. And lastly, we just have to do it. We just have to initialize it here. Okay, how do we handle this? We gotta do new and all. Oh my god, this is gonna be pretty messy. Oh my fucking god. Okay, what is this? function. Isn't isn't this how we pass? If I'll type with this, call this. Okay, no shit, dude. Um, I'm asking the worst AI possible. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, first of all, me trying to copy is big red flag because this is a huge chunk of data I'm trying to pass. Okay, our compiler. Oh, that was close. That was close. Um. Okay, where? Code. Why the fuck are we trying to compile? Oh yeah, yeah. Never mind. Never mind. Did we never create that? Oh shit. I think we did. No. Print. There you go. We created it. Let's not remove the file and check it ourselves. Build compiler. Oh my god, this is cramped, first of all. Oh my. Okay, yeah. My bad. That's my bad. Uh, nope. I didn't know you could be this stupid. Why? Yeah, well, no shit, but like, it used to work like, you do this. It was sort of like this. Um, one, one. Well, that didn't work, did it? uh, bro, I'm asking the worst AI possible. What do you mean? So you're saying I can do just without this and it's gonna work? No, it didn't. Oh, or here. Oh, okay. I see how it works. I see. Um, no, no, like this. Uh, now we can build. We can compile. Oh shit! And then program. It works, dude. It works, dude. It works. Okay, I forgot that I'm live. Like genuinely, this is how I code because I'm fucking stupid. And every single little success makes me very happy, very excited. Let's see how the code is like. Oh my god, holy shit, it's good. I mean, just to make it look good, what we can do here is, no, we can add this here at the start. Now, whenever we compile, it's gonna be okay, it works. But shit is ignored for some reason. I have no idea about. That's a that's an issue for us to deal with later on. Program and it works. Look at this. I swear it compiled it. Okay, now let's try to go deeper and try to do the shit stuff. Okay, I'm so fucking happy about the end results. Now, let's try to print. the data what it's on. Uh, this is gonna be l- line, I think. Yeah, I think line. I'll do this since it's just for taste. Okay, so next thing we gotta do is well, it's gonna show us what line we are. You can try that first. Okay, see it says it also does print shades. Uh, and zero. So I wanna print this as well. I okay, okay. Now we wanna do I plus plus every time you translate build and try it. Okay, so first zero, then one. Good, that's a good sign. That's just what I wanted to taste. Okay, now the question is, why does it ignore the shit? I mean, even if it does, shit is second, so it should have worked in theory, but it didn't. So that means there's something wrong with it. Right, so logic-wise, I think it's all good. So we're correct. Yeah, we're correct and all. I don't know where the issue is, where it went wrong. I can't tell either. I think I have to do like go deeper and then you know um check everything. All right, you gotta check what's up. Okay, I think let's check up until here because I think that's pre-intel as well. Yeah. What if we never had this? Where is it gonna go? Just shit. And it's shit. Okay. So now it works. It knows what's wrong and what's correct and what's not. Um um so that means it does pass this. Let's get that line of code, but right here first. Let's do it here for print. Okay, so it's so far so good. What about here? Say something is wrong. Fuck it. I don't know why. What's wrong? Oh, you can't do there because otherwise I have to make it like this and then when we run the compiler. So up until here it's all good. Nothing's wrong here. So now so here there's a line. We just do cache. I think we're allowed to do so. No, data. And there is no I, so just you know, do your job. Let's compile hello world and shit. Okay, now the question is why are you not writing the shit? That's the question. That's the question of why is it not being written? We close the file. We should not close the file here now. No, 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 no. That's it. That's the issue. You close it. Cache the close and then uh close and let's delete this file. Let's build and I guarantee you guys that this is holy fuck. What happened? Okay, let's not delete the file just yet. Let's compile. Okay, it says there's some issue like it's GCC win main collector. Look, the problem here is I can't tell which one. Oh, it writes again. Oh yeah, I mean that's just how stupid I am. Right now what we can do is until I figure a new solution, we can do like this. Uh, and then we close it. All right. So now I'm certain that this is gonna work. It's gonna compile, but it didn't. Something is wrong still. What's? Oh, still same issue. We don't have to do it here. It's not for every print line, right? I mean, we do want to do those. This one stays here, out of the loop. Uh, that's must, and also this is out of loop. And so uh, now we gotta figure out what we do for those that are inside the loop. So if it's per line, we do this, uh, and then we close for every one of them. But first, we gotta check not just as long as it has to rate it. Okay, now it should be fine. Okay, again. Uh, what's wrong here? All I see is good code. So let's not do it there, and then do it here. Now let's watch it being written. Uh, compiler. There you go. But it refuses to compile for some reason. Win main. Uh, bro, it works. I thought the issue was this. I think it's when closing. It must be. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, I see. So just to make sure we don't have program compiler or program is not being created. Executing GCC. Finish executing GCC. Oh no, I mean build and compiler. Oh, you see it? It's in between. It's definitely here. So I think it executes before this one ever finished writing. That's what I think it is. Then how about we that with like at the end of everything? Okay, see, that was the issue. It executed before it could. I didn't do it. Now, if we run the program, it's gonna hello world and shit. I'm so proud of myself. It worked. So the plan was for today to get a little bit of this working. Was not all this. Um, we did come a lot. Um, okay, so see it works. Now what we gotta do is for every new line, we gotta do like end line. Now I don't wanna print shit and all. This guy must be rich. Wait, why did you say that? Well, I wish I was. I'm eating while coding. Okay, so anyways, the compiler is working fine. It's all good. And then I forgot where I put the print. Where is it? Okay, there is eyes, so there are a lot of fucking eyes in this code. Remove cache, fail, nothing says. Dude, what the hell? Okay, there you go, there it is. Well, I mean, you did give me shit to skin, and I appreciate that. Not only appreciate, I love that. Thank you so much, dude. And yes, I'm rich, of course. I mean, if you donate me skin, also I can't see the code. Oh my god, I forgot that I have to do zoom. It looks shit for me, but as long as it's visible for you guys. How about now? Okay, so why do I have high delay? Wait, how high is it? I don't even know. Must be my Wi-Fi or something. I don't think I have a delay enabled on my setting. I do have like not more than 3 or 5 seconds, so not sure what's going on here. Anyway, so the compiler. Let's build it again. Let's compile. It does compile, and then program works. So now let's try to do our. Hmm, well, I've never used arg in C++ before. 30 seconds, maybe, yeah. Could be 30 seconds, I have no idea. Okay. I want both to be string, so hello gigs and um it was ends. Okay, so ends arg argc car pointer and then rb. Okay, right. So this one As I said, it's gonna be compiler file name to program name. 45. Oh, that's a lot. I'll fix that next on the next stream. Okay. So if you want this, this is gonna be the file name and this is the program. So the file name is um okay. I might gonna have a hard time converting that into car. Oh no, no. Okay, give me the eater. Yeah, of course, of course. I knew that. No, not string. Um, this is getting weird. That will work if I do. Let's say let's create a dummy here. Hey, hey, it does. Okay, good. So this doesn't have to be it's gonna be file name and the file name. Okay, now it's string and the file name is gonna be code. I think instead of string uh into string cpp std to string. Okay, std to string. See, okay, okay. So now we have to give it two. Let's build. And the compiler, if I run it, the file doesn't exist. Yep, of course it doesn't. So now we gotta give it code.com. Oh, it still says something. Not good. File name. Let's try it this way. No, no. Build first. Two, it says two. What the hell does that possibly mean? Nah, bro, I don't use um Odin. C++ is just better. So I write the code in C++, then it gets converted into C, then uses the C compiler to compile it, and then it runs. Right now it's broken as fuck. Okay, so it says to um CVP args string place. It's easy place. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh shit. So let's try to do like one. I think it must be zero or one because it says two here. Let's build it. Let's compile. It didn't even fucking print. Let's do zero. Let's build and let's compile. It says fucking two. Okay. Um, arg C. Of course, I'm doing for that. Arg V. Oh my god, dude. Oh shit. So I'm trying to access like the wrong file all along. So I don't think I would even need to that. I just have to do um argv 0. Um we build we run compiler 0. Okay, so that's the compiler itself. So one must be the one we need, maybe. Okay, yes, it's one. We don't need all this. And this is gonna be this. We don't need this, so now it's gonna work. Compiler. Okay, that's so we need to see hello world and shit all together. We did it. Let's go. No, who's we? I did it. So now we don't have the option to do the output name this. So we're gonna create a new std string. Um, or I think I can just do argv1. Oh, two for this one. Ah, no, it doesn't work here. Okay. String. Um, program name. So now the program name is gonna be um not program name, command line. In the command line, and then um can copy this plus rv1. Okay, so we can't do like this. Insane, doesn't work here. That's what I did. No, maybe let's check it this way. I know I shouldn't have done that, but it is what it is. Hmm. STD string, STD string. Um. Okay, it worked this way. Now we can do command line. Another issue. Oh, it wants that. So, um, so just say str and it works. Okay, good. Now let's build it. Uh, this is 222, and we gotta check a lot of things here. If RB um no, it's argc less than 2, I think it's short here now. um arg no, no, arg yeah, I think so. I think that works. uh okay, now mhm. So now, okay, now that's it. Build should say okay. This didn't fucking work. If argc is less than 2, this is if it's over 2. Let's try. Okay, we can't run it. Where? I'm sure it's after this because I didn't pass another name program. If I do program, it's gonna work. Um, so it's not really like oh because I passed the name. No, I didn't. So it fails to do so. Okay. Um, how is this true? How is the arg 2? Zero, I know what zero is. I know what one is. Um, let's try to print out argc 2. Okay, so let's do one and below. Huh? What do you mean? Okay, let's just say because it's two and two is wrong. I think not enough arg, which means it should return zero. And then how to exit break? No, break. I don't think return is gonna work. Oh, it does. Okay. Um. So now let's do my program. Okay, it worked. I don't have to print this anymore. And also, there are too many things here. All right, let's build. It's okay. Why program? Because this let's build compiler. There you go. Program it works. So let's write just hello world. Let's see what it's gonna do. Compiler. It works. So I guess that's it for today. I don't know what to name this thing yet, so we'll figure it out. So um, until we meet next time, I think this is a bye. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you anytime. I'm sure I'm gonna see you anytime.